Today we're going to show you how to reach and successfully remove the front lower control arm bolt on each side. These are really tight from the factory and the angles are difficult. Shown is an F-Series Mini Cooper. We will need to remove the lower control arm bolts later on in this guide, and to gain access to them, we need the underbody panel removed. Remove all of the 8mm hex bolts holding the underbody panel on. If you need a walkthrough on where the bolts are, I made a full-length video here, linked in the description as well. So the great part is that now we have to, with the jack in the way, now we have to get under and remove the underbody tray. So in edit, I will probably put this at the start. So next we're going to remove the lower control arm bolt, and it's inside of there. And it is an E-Torx.
Is more E14. So just do that and hopefully it breaks loose. Doesn't want to go anywhere. Oh man. Okay, so what do we want to do? If we get on a really long extension, we can get the thing out here.
See if it's long enough to clear the bumper. It is not. Is this long enough to clear the bumper? It is not. Is this long enough to clear the bumper? Yes. Hold like so.
Oh, that's fun.
Doesn't look like it's the bolt. I don't know what that was.
It broke loose. So it is indeed spinning.
Now we're going to reinstall this lower control arm bolt back into that position. It's going to be finicky because we're having to do it through there, and as you can see, it's not aligned. But when I push on this rotor, it's going to wiggle a bit. And you'll see that if I play with it, if I push it from here, this whole assembly moves. And so I'm going to apply pressure from one side while trying to get a long bolt through there. And as you can see, it's almost aligned there. Just got to do it up and to the left. And with that, the bolt is in. Wasn't too horrible. Gotta get one guy to push, the other guy to bolt it in. Also see my channel and Mini Cooper playlist for all maintenance videos and for the mild off-road build. If this has helped, please consider a super thanks on the video for the time spent making this video and consider subscribing. Thank you.